Imagine that your robotic manufacturing system starts to slow down and emit some unusual noises. To quickly triage this situation on the factory floor and minimize downtime, you can take advantage of Retrieval Augmented generation running on a Modalix SoC inside your equipment. With RAG, there's no need to retrain your neural network or modify your large language model in any way. Simply add new reference documents to its knowledge base, such as equipment manuals or maintenance guides, and instantly expand its domain of expertise to any process or subsystem on your production line. Let's look at a real example running on the Modalix Dev Kit focused on robot arm equipment health. In this case, the Fanuc Robot LR200ID. What is the recommended interval in hours of use to replenish the grease in the reducer of the Fanuc Robot LR200ID robot arm?
Just a second while I think about it. I'm sorry, but I'm not sure what you are asking.
Okay, let's try it again. This time we'll enable RAG so that it can search the database that I've already loaded, and I'm going to ask the exact same question.
One moment please, let me think about it. The recommended interval for replenishing the grease in the reducer of the Fanuc Robot LR200ID robot arm is every 4 years or 15,360 hours, according to the context provided. This is because the reducer is a part of the robot arm that is subject to wear and tear over time, and replenishing the grease helps to reduce friction and maintain the proper functioning of the robot arm.
Let's go check out the manual and see what it says. In section 7.3.2, replenish the grease of the reducer. 4 years, 15,360 hours for the standard 7H, 7L, and 7WP. So for standard use, that is precisely the correct answer. Take advantage of SEMA Modalix SoCs and the Palette SDK and Edgematic software to maintain equipment health using generative AI and RAG. Visit SEMA.ai for more information.